This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to send a picture or photo from your Samsung phone over to your Android phone. So I have a Google Pixel right here. So just swipe down from the top right, just like this. And then we're looking for the quick share option, so we can go to quick share right here. And we can just press that and do the same thing on your other phone. So look for quick share. So here it is. We can just go to here, hold down on it. And then we want to decide if we want to send or receive on our devices. So let's go on over to quick share and just enable it over here. It says not now, so we can add a phone number. So I went to the settings. Let's go back here. Then just go to quick share and just tap it once. Okay, here we go. We're under it now. So we want to receive. Let's go to send. Select the file. How about this picture? And then go to done. Okay, so that's on there now. Then go to your other phone and go to receive. And then you should be able to see the phone on here. Tap it. Now I should be receiving that file. So we can go to accept. So you can see I can open up the file now. So I sent a picture from that phone to this phone with quick share very easily. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.